So I'm going to make this linger set. I hope you can see it. So yeah, and I chose this lace for this linger set. By the way, I've already made sketch before I chose the lace, but I think it like doesn't matter. So yeah, I hope it will look, anyway, it will look really beautiful and nice. So if you want to see the result, please keep watching. So cups of bra are ready. First one and the second one. Cute, right? So yeah, I like it too. So now I need to make the band. So yeah, keep going. So I'm out of thread, so I need to do this. So now I need to sew on the bottom band, this bottom band, to the underband of the bralette. Instead of regular bag, I wanted to make like adjustable straps, and so I can adjust the length of the band. That's why I need to take 6 pieces of the strap elastic. So my bralette is almost... Okay, just 1 minute. Okay, my bralette is almost ready, and I need to add strap elastics to... it's very annoying, I think. I need to add strap elastics to connect the cups of bralette and the underband like this. Yeah, and also according to my sketch, I need to make like choker like here, so my bralette will look really nice. So I think maybe in 30 minutes my bralette will be ready to wear. So my bralette is ready to wear, and you know what, when I ordered this lace on AliExpress, I didn't think that it would be so beautiful, but I really like what I've got. By the way, let me know in the comment section if you like this bralette too. Also, in the next video I'll show you how I make the panties for this olive bralette. So see you soon, and don't forget to subscribe to watch my sewing tutorials.